How to unban Litmatch account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unban Litmatch account. If you have violated some community guidelines of Litmatch, then your account might be banned and you'd like to get it reinstated, then you need to follow these steps. First of all, remember that this ban is temporary. You need to wait for a few days in order to get this ban lifted. Also, if the Litmatch account has been banned, you will see the option to unban it by using 100 diamonds from your account. But if you don't have 100 diamonds on your account, then you may need to contact Litmatch support by sending them email. To do so, first of all, you need to open your Gmail. Here, make sure you use the same email that is associated with your Litmatch account. Now in this page, tap on the Compose button at the bottom right. And in this to section, you will need to enter lit@om.com. This is the email of Litmatch to unban your ID. Now after that, in the subject, you can write request to unban Litmatch account. After that, tap on this compose email section and here type in my account has been banned. Also, you might need to provide the information like your username, account email and any specific details about why you think the ban was a mistake. If applicable, you may also add screenshots or evidence. After adding all your information, now tap on this arrow or the airplane icon at the top and then the email will be successfully sent. After that, it might take some time for Litmatch support to review and respond to your request. Be patient and check your email for updates. So by following these steps, you should be able to unban your Litmatch account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.